Hello, good morning. I'm Arlan. I'm a Filipino. I'm a married people. I am a married guy and I have one child. I have work here in the Philippines as I'm teaching welding, and I'm working overseas for almost 15 years. I work in oil and gas, petrochem, power plant, refinery. So I'm working in a heavy industry as a welder. I'm a certified welder, all the process, SMAO, GTAO, FCAO, and I'm also a structural welder, and I'm also a certified underwater welding, and then I'm a certified in pipe, and I have a certificate in safety. I have IOS. I'm working for 6 years in fabrication. Then I promoted as a foreman in a different company, and I'm a supervisor for the last 2 years. I'm handling fabrications and installation, and I'm working in Dubai, the latest company. When I was in Dubai, I'm handling different personalities, especially Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, India, and multinational skilled I'm handling. So I trust and I'm confident that I can handle under pressure job, critical job, and all the necessary requirements to pass the quality, to having quality productions, and I can meet the requirements to be productive in our company. So from now on, I'm teaching here in the Philippines as a welding, and I'm employed in a CESA and making a port, set filing, dredging, and underwater survey, and underwater welding and cutting. So now I'm planning to go abroad again if I'm lucky. Now, my experience. First of all, sir, I work in Saudi Arabia for 1997 as a TIG welder in petrochemicals in Jubail, and 2000 for 2 years, and then I go to Libya in a Benghazi project and a power plant, and I'm a welding foreman here in the Philippines and abroad. So, and in 2010, 11, when I was in Singapore, I worked in a rock cavern project under Hyundai, Korean company. And I was in Guam for 2010 and 11. I am a diver and also a maintenance for equipment, heavy machineries, dredging, set filing, board file, and I work in pit mining when I was in South America. I'm a foreman for maintenance department and a silo and a rock crusher, all the equipment that having a difficulties for welding. I have analyzed. I have under ASME 9 section ASME 9 and a pressure piping vessel, welding, all the specification for welding. I have full knowledge in erections, fabrications, installations, inspection during, before, and after the erections, and I have knowledge in safety, and I have knowledge also in handling huge projects. So based on my experience, I'm very confident to be a part of your company, and then I learn and I want to learn more, as well as I am trained, so I want to learn more again, so to explore the engineering expertise and my previous experience in the other company, so I can share. We can bridge benchmarking the standards. So I have also knowledge in welding quality, like testing for API 650, 1104, doing tanks, silos, and also I know how to read the radiographic interpretation for the defects of the welding, hard ox plate and pipes. I have experience in welding carbon nickel, inconel, carbon steel, stainless steel, pipe and structurals. So now latest here in the Philippines, I'm employed in the paper mills. I'm installing equipment, piping, and static and rotating installation. Now I'm handling. Presently, I'm working here in the Philippines. So that's my goal, to be a part of your company. hopefully, then I will try my best to explore and maintain the quality for our to having a good output for for our productions, and then I follow all the rules and regulations under the ISO standards and British standards or Australian standards. So, as a safety officer, first of all, I know how to talk to conduct a toolbox meeting. I know how to do the task instruction or TI or a risk assessment for the worker. I know how to implement the safety of all the workers to have without lost time incident or minor incident or accident, because accident incident is a loss for the company. So it's number one for safety. So we will maintain based on the company standards, the international standards. So I really confident to to conduct that one. And also, I'm quite a bit nervous because I am quite a bit nervous, but as well, based on my experience, I'm strongly and I'm confident to do whatever you want me to do, based on as long as we have a good output for the production, piping, structurals, tanks, and everything, sir. Thank you, and good morning. Hello, sir. This is I'm Arlan. I'm a welder, a welder. Now I will demonstrate to you before. We will check the WPS, the welding procedure and the specification for the welding test that we have. This is the plate. This is a 6 mm plate, carbon steel low temp. So we have G-mount welding machines, and then we will follow the welding procedure. The welding procedure consists for the requirements based on the approved from the client. So this is the test plate. We have a G-mount process. So this is a low carbon steel, and then this is a direct polarity with a 1 position. We have a 2F and 3F position. So we will fit up this one first. We follow the WPS. So we will tap this one based on the dimension. This is a test plate. So we will get the tip 3 joint. So we will first put the jig. This is the jig. This is the requirement for the dimension in the gap. I think 1.2 mm. So we will tap this one. Start off this one. Tap this one. Then the other one, check the level. Check the teeth. We will tap this one. Then this is the test plate now. We have to remove it from the jig. Then we will go for the 12 position. So we will use this tapping. We will put it here. We will put the degree, the 35 degree. Should be tuck these plates. So we will tuck this now. So this is the position, the 2F position for the plates. So I will do this procedure for welding using G-mount. It's a commonly used F-cow, G-mount, cow. So this is the specific procedure that we do based on the requirement required approved by the client for the WPS. So this is approved by the welding engineer and the the QC engineers for the metallurgical purposes. Approved. So we will go. This is a 2 position. We will depend with the requirement with the 3rd position and with the pull or push or forward position. So we will stand up for the push position. We will go here. We will check the ampere, the flow, the current to the CO2 is 15. We have 105 to 26 amperes is both. So we will go for one, I will start welding. So I finished the flat 12 for the welding. This is the outcome. So I know I'm a welder. I know how to QC. I know the defects. So the defects, if there is a wind, there's a disturbance for the gas from the nozzle, from the tip. So the melted metals for the base metals and the wires, some destruction. So now there's a covered. So no disturbance. So we don't have defects. Undercut, underbed, with a heat effective zone. This is no warping. It's still good, no warping. So it's still the uniform, the wet bed, the weld, and the technique. It's hot, so it's okay. It's okay, it's done, sir. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. I am Arlan. I am a welder and mount. So I am going to proceed to the 3 position with the same base metal. So we will do the full welding and I will start. Now this is my test thing. Here.
position, I'm done. Thank you. So, thank you, sir.
Walang undercut. Walang LF. Walang cluster porosity. Only spatter. Hello sir, once again I am Arlan Adan. I am a welder. This is my test specimen. This is a 2F Gmao, and then wait. And then again sir, this is my 3F position that I weld. So there's no major defects. So only the normal for the spatters, but no undercut and do nothing. Thank you sir.